I'm Michelle Hertel, and I am president and co-founder of Pocket NC Company. My degree is in mechanical engineering from Montana State University. Here at Pocket NC, we make 5-axis desktop CNC mills. What a CNC mill is a machine that takes a solid piece of material like wood or aluminum and carves a part out of that material. Traditionally, these are big industrial machines used to make things like airplane parts and car parts, but what we've done at Pocket NC is scale it down to a desktop size machine that can make things like watch cases or optics parts. I use my engineering degree at Pocket NC to understand how the different systems of the machine come together so that I can plan for the company at a high level. It's also fun working here because we get to use lots of cool tools to build the machines, like lasers and robotic arms. If you're interested in a career in STEM, I would recommend getting in contact with the local makerspace or participating in some of the programs offered at the STEAM lab at the Montana Science Center. Thanks.